You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name and more confusing names like this one. Many get wrong, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more. So if you're talking about the famous beach located in Sydney, Australia, it's going to be said as Bondi, Bondi, but this is also a name, a surname generally, and it can be said Bondi, but also sometimes Bondi, like Pam Bondi, for example. Bondi or Bondi, it depends, but the beach, Bondi. And now you know. More videos for you to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.